Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, something a little bit different. I went on Instagram and I asked you guys to give me some ideas y me dieron una muy buena idea donde I make my little brother cook something without my help, just instructions. It was fun. He loved it, so thank you to my friend for giving me that idea. So yeah, there's gonna be two intros because I wanted to explain a little bit about the video, and then he did his own thing. So yeah, keep on watching.
Welcome to Sky's Kitchen.
What?
To Sky's Kitchen. But this time it's Jared's Kitchen, and I got my assistant here who's holding the phone. But still, we're gonna make pancakes. So first the eggs, I think.
No. It's not the egg first. First, you're gonna put the pancake mix.
Egg don't run away. Keep running away. So first the pancake mix.
It's only gonna do that for you. You have to do the rest.
The pancake mix smells good. But first we have to taste test it. Okay? Now it's time to put it in. Okay.
What was that again?
Pancake mix. We already put the pancake mix, so
Now you're gonna put 1 cup of water.
1 cup of water.
So that's 1 cup.
We have. Thank you, sister, for your.
No. En la copa. I mean, en la de esa.
¿Esta?
Yes. Ahí échale el agua. No, you do it. No, it has to be a full cup. You're not. Just have to be careful. There, that's fine.
One.
Wow.
2.
No, one.
Guys, I'm getting up because this is hurting my bottom. So. Okay. Now, assistant.
No. You have to do it.
Wait, you're making the food?
Yes, I'm busy.
Oh,
I'm
sorry.
on my lunch break.
Oh. I told you. Don't spill it. Okay, guys.
You have to be careful. Párate.
Super speed. Oh!
Yes.
Okay, guys.
I think this is a bad idea. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, guys, so we forgot the egg.
Yes,
So-
we did.
Kind of scared.
Sky didn't even tell me.
Oh, I'm so sorry. But look at this mess.
Oh, dopamine.
Use both hands to crack it ahí adentro. There. Use both hands.
I'm scared they're gonna pop.
Go like this, like.
Grab it, put your fingers in here. Look,
Oh my.
Both hands.
both hands
That's a
look.
good chef.
Yeah, open it like that. Yeah.
Oh. Big piece. Oh, I see the
See how it opens?
inside the egg. Yo.
Was that hard?
Yeah. Oh,
said
there's a
here,
little piece.
Here you go. Okay, you have 2 on. Mix it again.
With what?
With that.
With the whisker? But get all crazy?
Yeah.
Ah! I told you you're gonna get.
No. Stop.
to make it. Masabi cat? Oh shoot.
What?
It's gonna jump.
No, it's not. It's not oil.
Oh. You said it's gonna jump.
I said that was good. Yeah, one by one. Jared, so do you know when you have to flip it?
No.
No. Don't do that, brother.
Why?
Look, I'm
So
gonna
look.
tell you.
The pancake va a empezar a tener muchas bubbles aquí
Yeah.
arriba.
Yeah.
And then you can flip it. But for now, we're gonna leave it like that.
Yeah,
So we're
but-
going to relax. So I say you dance for us. Do it this way. Yeah. Ooh. Get it.
Oh, get one bubbles.
Yeah. Think it's ready?
Yep.
You can do this? No?
You do it.
No, you do it.
Oh, it moved. Ow.
Métela hasta adentro. Más. Okay, flip it. Fast. Uy.
Some broke. I flipped it and it broke. I didn't do it fast, but still. And look at this.
Ya no hagas eso.
Flip it again.
Aquí en el plato. Get the other pieces.
Hey,
Yari, ponlo. Ay, no, todavía no. Try to put it in from that side.
Oh, then why is he doing that? Like,
Flip it fast.
hey. Oh, you already done from there.
Not bad.
Oh.
Yo lo agarro el plato para ti. Wow. ¿Se te hacen bonitos tus pancakes?
Yeah.
¿Sí?
But, guy, what happened to the face? A matter of fact, I really want to do more pancakes, but this video is about to end, so bye. So, guys, I'm gonna cut up this first. Okay, the banana peel and put it in here. Okay, time to cut. That's how I cut bananas.
wait, what?
No te alteres. Jared.
Okay, but you was not recording me. Oh, banana peel. All done.
You gonna put those big pieces into pancake?
Yes. For Happy.
Oh.
Happy eating the big pieces. We are eating the small pieces.
Okay,
Yeah.
guys, so hold up, Jared. We have a big mess.
Hey,
Who's gonna clean this mess?
me and you. Hey, you helped me too.
Okay, so now prepare your pancakes. Okay, yeah. Jared.
Prepare.
Estás pasando, Ale.
Prepare. Boop. Boop. Big pieces. Boop. Now, all the little pieces. Boop, 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 boop. And not the little pieces. I can't believe I'm touching this with my hand.
Why not?
Guys, Sticky.
You didn't put a whole banana in a pancake?
Yep.
You have to try it.
Hey, this is Harvey's.
Try the pancake, not just the banana.
I'm gonna cut it up with the banana.
Okay. What do you think about your pancakes? Good? So should they follow your recipe?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. We will see